We have a question here from Masud. Does two-season mapping necessary for cold rooms and freezer rooms which are not impacted by seasonal temperature variation?
If you're sure they are not impacted, then no, you can do it with once, and then in a few years after, or anytime you have any kind of improvement, if you change the HVAC system or if you do any improvement in the area. But it's not necessary every season.
And how do you assess whether it's actually affected by seasonal variation?
Yeah, if it's a cold room, it's probably inside another room. So what is the temperature of that room? How is it controlled? So that's the questions that you have to answer to get to that.
Okay, so it's really much about looking at the design of the facility and whether there actually is a temperature control system between the internal room and the actual outside walls, right? And I think we also do see some cases where...
Can I just add one thing? But at the same time, it's really important, for example, you have a cold room, so it's 2 to 8, and it's inside a room temperature facility. But this facility has gates, and these gates are close to that room. Then you open the gate of the cold room for the facility. So in this case, I think it's good to do a risk assessment, because it may be possible that you need a seasonal mapping.
And that might also be a great point from here then, that you need to be able to document for an auditor that you've done those risk assessments and why you've chosen to do or not to do seasonal temperature mappings.